Ma'am, you have a problem with your float sensor. This is the reason why your washer overflows. I have to clean it out. Стой, переделывай.
Поехали.
Ma'am, you have Ma'am, you have a problem with your float sensor. This is the reason why your washer overflows. I have to clean out the sensor in order for your machine to work properly. Overtime use of your washer causes the sensor to clog with grease and dirt. So periodically, it's healthy to clean your float sensor or to clean out your machine with proper cleaners designed specifically for this purpose. I can clean it for you right now. It will run you about $185. If you're a first-time customer, I can offer you a 10% discount. I can offer you an additional $20 off if you write a good review right now in Yelp. Ma'am, it seems to me that you have a problem with your drain pump. It's either burnt out or clogged. If the pump needs to be replaced, it will run you about $100 sumo. It seems that I don't have your part with me, so I need to order it. Would it be feasible for me to come back tomorrow to replace it? In this case, would it be okay to leave your washer disassembled?